Hi there, students. An Arriviste, okay, or Nouveau Riche, or a Parvenu. Okay, these are all talking about people who have moved up in society. I think an arriviste, a social climber, somebody who is trying to move into a higher class in society. Nouveau riche, I think this is probably more commonly used as an adjective. Yeah, this is somebody who has new money, somebody who has suddenly made a lot of money. And they come from a low social class, but they've suddenly become very rich, and they like to show this publicly by spending a lot of money. You could call somebody a nouveau riche as well, an arriviste, yeah? And then finally, a parvenu. A parvenu, someone who's come from a low social position, and suddenly become very rich or successful. Notice all of these words are critical. Yeah, they're all disapproving. Yeah, they're saying this upstart, this person who's come from a lower class who doesn't know how to behave like a gentleman. So somebody who's ambitious, brash and arrogant, and they still haven't integrated into their new social group. Yeah, they are a social climber. Okay, the nouveau riche are people with there we go, sorry about that. They're people with newly acquired fortunes, new money. Yeah, and they're perceived to lack the refinement of wealthy people. Yeah, the neo-rich, if you like. A parvenu, somebody who has been promoted in social class, especially through acquisition of wealth, through privileges or political authority. Yeah, and they're new to this social class, but they haven't been accepted by it. Yeah, so the traditional moneyed rich don't like new people joining them, and that's why we have all of these rude expressions. Yeah, he's an arriviste. He's an arriviste, a social climber. Yeah, an upstart. These are all really rather critical. This is a man regarded as some sort of pushy arriviste. Yeah, he's their nouveau riche way of behaving is something that is horrible. Yeah, it's something that's just absolutely tacky and tasteless. They are so ostentatious. Okay, so more commonly, nouveau riche is an adjective describing someone, a nouveau riche family. And then a parvenu. This is a person again. Yeah, this guy is a parvenu. He's come from nowhere. He has absolutely no class, but now he's pretending to be one of us. Okay, next question is formality. I think I'd give nouveau riche a 5 in formality. Use it anywhere. The arriviste, I think I would probably give it 5.5 to 6. Use it anywhere. And then the parvenu, this is more formal. I think I'd probably give it maybe a 6.5 or a 7 in formality. You could use it in an informal conversation in a posh setting, but don't use it in a conversation down the pub. Okay? Notice these are all critical phrases and critical words. And then as to origin, well, arriviste comes from arriviste, from French, meaning from the verb arriver, to arrive. Yeah, and arriviste in French is an upstart, exactly. Then again, nouveau riche from French, nouveau, new, and riche, rich. And then finally, Parvenu, again from French, parvenir, from the Latin phrase parvenio, to arrive, to reach. Okay, yes, one little comment about parvenu. Okay, a parvenu for a man and a parvenu with an E on the end for a woman. So it's one of these words that's come from French, and you can actually still separate it into parvenu with a U, male, parvenu UE, female. Okay, so these are all critical words for a social upstart, somebody that's not one of us, that doesn't belong to our social class. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Arriviste, Nouveau Riche, Parvenu.